guys, welcome back to Melo Trade channel. What we have today is um, the bulls are they pushed us, as you see in the picture. I keep repeating this picture for you. So they pushed us really nice from the 618. We had a confirm. Not yesterday. I thought yesterday we're gonna confirm that uh, blue dot, which is the trigger wave, uh, the green dot, but we didn't get it confirmed. So we're gonna see if today we're gonna get it confirmed. Uh, they could reverse us because there is signs of it. So hopefully, if the like the thumbnail said, if the bulls can take us to the moon, let's see. Let's go back to the trading here. What we have the 4 hours. We already break bullishly on the 4 hours. The only problem we have in is we we did an SFP on this liquidity, right? We did not close any 4 hours above. So we tried one candle, two candle, and we're trying the third candle right now. The third candle is gonna sit where the market opens in 45 minutes so that we could reverse all that gain right here, which is the 0.18 or 0.20%. So if we go back to the 15-minute, I have to show you this. We have the Fibonacci to the upside. We did not break the 15-minute to the downside. The 15 low is right here. So that's a good sign. We came close and we start pushing. We need to break this wick right here. This is not a 15 high, but we need to break. I don't know if we're gonna reject from this box, and we check and we see we might have a rejection today, or we go above and we take it as a resistance support, and then we just go. That's my plan for today. If we break that high and we get supported by the 618786, and then we go. Yesterday was a big dump. I don't know if today they can push us the same. Maybe today is just range bounding or digesting that pump, because that was a lot. We're already up 2% on the day, so let's see what's they gonna happen. um, I think the tail today is on Ethereum. Ethereum is very bullishly, like every, if you looked at um, Bitcoin, Bitcoin is still here. We didn't get that high yet. On Ethereum, we already above that high. I think we did SFP one time. Yeah, we did SFP one time, but we are breaking right now and we closed above. So that's very nice break, and is going above the value area high. Now if we hold this, because Ethereum did not take the liquidity here, so we might just go to the liquidity, just like Bitcoin, because Bitcoin took the liquidity. We're already taking that liquidity several times, so it's gone. On Ethereum, we didn't do that yet, so we might just go to that liquidity and then we dump. Maybe Ethereum is late. On Solana, it's too far. Solana is too far from everything else. Solana, the liquidity lies here. We came up to value area high, and then we start dumping. One thing I need to tell you guys, if we went down, we have to hold the 90,000. If we closed below here, below this point, we're gonna retrace all this efficiency right here. We are coming back to 87. So we have to same thing with Ethereum, same thing with Solana. Ethereum, we have to defend 2970. Solana, we have to defend 137. So the bulls, they could take us to the moon today, or they could take us to the garbage. So there's two options for the bulls: garbage or the moon. So we'll see. On the SPY, guys, we are nicely going up on the 15 minute. We don't know until we close below here, or we take the liquidity and SFP right here. Uh, on the Nasdaq, we already took the liquidity. If we go here, the liquidity is already taken. So right here, but we need to go above here or below here. The only thing is we need to watch for, maybe at the open, we're gonna go on the SPY, just taking that liquidity, and then we dump because the Nasdaq already did it. Ethereum, we're gonna do the same because Bitcoin is already did it. That's my guess, and we go one by one, like we go step by step. Over here, if we look at Bitcoin, guys, we have levels below us and level above us. We can put all these levels back, and we have a 30-minute right here. Um, that could, with the 786, it could just push us down. We didn't make 15 to break. That's the problem. The 15 is right here. This is just a wick to give us a bullish momentum or to fake out everybody. We'll see what's gonna happen. Is a high on the 3 minute for sure, but we can see if we hold. We have the 4 hour break with the 618 from this low. So let's see if this hold us. If this didn't hold us, the 618, we're coming back to another 30-minute block with the point of control 786 and daily open, and that will be I think the trade that it will interest me, just to retrace to these lows. I think if we break these lows, we come back somewhere in this area just to retrace these lows, and then we continue. But let's see, I might be wrong, and the bulls has some gas in the tank and they just go. That will be nice. Your levels to the upside, you have a daily block in the green right here, and you have that 618 coming up right here at exactly uh, 97 and 98. I think there is another um, Fibonacci that I put. Let me see. We have that Fib coming in. Where is that Fib coming in from? Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, that's the one from that high. So yeah, so everything is leading to 98 thousand, 99, 97. If we like to dump from here, I think we take one more liquidity to the daily block and then we go, or we go to the 98. In either ways, I'm gonna be looking for diversion on the 24, market cipher diversion on the 24. Looks like that on the 24, money flow is coming down slightly. If we stayed here a little bit and then afternoon stayed here a little bit, afternoon we pumped to that daily block and then we lose the level, I think will be a nice trade. On the 12, we're already losing some money flow coming down, and we have a push. We might have a push and then come back for another push, and then we'll be because I don't like this wave in the middle of the two waves. I like to have two waves together for the diversion, and that will make us the real. On the 6 minute, we start bleeding a little bit, and now we're coming back to the green. I think we're gonna go back to the green for a slight, not as big as this wave, because as you see, guys, we have a big wave, smaller wave. Now we have red, and then smaller, and then the red gonna increase. So we might have one more push to the upside here. Sorry, to the market open, and then we dump. If we lose again, if we lose the 90,000, basically you're going down and you're losing all the gain from yesterday and the day before. But we'll see what's gonna happen. I don't think we have any CME gap today. Not this week, but the daily we have to confirm this to go for the 97, 98. If we don't confirm this and we retrace all this gain today, we're coming back to the lows. That's what I have for you guys today. That's the update before the market open. If you guys like the content, like, subscribe. Not a financial advisor. Everything I say is my opinion only. Peace for now. Melo trades. See you at the live after market close. Bye bye for now.